Bonjour à tous. Bienvenue à French class with Anamika. So today we are going to learn Ilia. Okay. So before we start, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Okay. So Ilia is a very useful expression in French. Okay. Ilia and Ilia. Do you remember Ilia is a fixed expression. Okay. So how to pronounce Ilia? First we'll know this. Ilia, okay, like this we pronounce. So, il is a subject pronoun, y is a pronoun, and a is our a verb of third person singular, okay. So, Ilia means there is, there are, okay. So, I'll give you an example. Ilia a chat. Il y a un chat. There is a cat. Okay. There is a cat. So again, what we have done? Ilia. Ilia means there is and there are. Okay. And Ilia we can use with indefinite article. Then I'll give you some more examples with indefinite article plural. Il y a des enfants. Il y a des enfants là-bas. Okay, il y a des enfants là-bas. There are some kids over there. Again, I'll give you one more example with indefinite article with feminine. Okay, like I'll use feminine indefinite article. Il y a une robe sur le lit. Okay, this means there is a dress on the bed. Okay, so hope you understand this. Now we will have some more examples, some more different rules related to Ilia. Now I will be teaching you how to ask questions using Ilia. Okay. Interrogative. Okay. Interrogative is like how to ask questions. Okay. So there are, in French there are so many ways to ask question. So we will be using, do you remember, qu'il? Okay. Qu'il. Qu'il means is there or are there. Is there or are there. So I'll give you an example like y a-t-il un problème? Y a-t-il un problème? Is there, it means is there a problem? So there is one more way to ask question using que, right? ESTCE, qu'il, because there are two vowels here. Il y a, okay? Est-ce que il y a, okay? Is there, this is the interrogative. So in interrogative, what we do? We use ya till. It means is there, are there. Okay. So I have given you example also. Ya till a problem, is there a problem? And we can also use est-ce que. Okay. Est-ce que il y a, is there. Okay. Now we'll learn the negation of it. Okay. All the forms are very important for Ilya. So if we say negation or negative. Okay. So how we frame it? Il ne y a pas. Il n'y a pas. Okay. So there is, it means there is not, or there are not. I'll give you example. Il n'y a pas de viande. I'll give il n'y a pas de viande. Viande dans ce repas. Okay, this sentence means there is no meat in this meal. Okay, so what we do? We just put ya, y and a between na and pa. Okay, and we all know in negation what we do. If it's avoir or any other verb, we change indefinite article to de, right? So these are the three ways we can use Ilya. There are some more ways. We can use with numbers, we can use with so many things. I'll give you few more examples. One second, hold on. So now we can say, I'll give you with numbers. Okay, il y a trois solutions à ce problem. Okay, this means there are three solutions to this problem. Okay, so il y a trois solutions à ce problème. So there are three solutions to this. So here what did I do? I have used with numbers also. Okay, so now you can like and subscribe my video. Merci, au revoir.